Hey guys, this is Ghostbit Miner coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Okay guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to make a Aion wallet for your Windows computer and also how to turn it into USD in the same day. Stay tuned for this video guys so I can show you how to do this. So okay guys, I'm going to leave all the links to how to do this in the description above. So first off, really all you need to type into Google is docs.aion. It's going to be right here, Docs Desktop Wallet. Aion Desktop Wallet. Back in the days, in my first Aion video, I showed you pretty much how to install it to a Linux computer, actually a virtual machine. And it's very complex. And again, when you do get to, after you finish installing VirtualBox to your Windows computer, there's a lot of steps, a lot of coding involved in how to get this. It was a horrible wallet, period. So the updated one is very easy to use, and you can use it on Mac, Linux, and Windows. So even for Mac, they show you a nice little video on how to do that. We're not doing Mac today, but if you want to, it's very easy to follow here, okay guys? So let's go to Windows. So right here, first thing you're going to go to is you want to download the Aion Wallet setup.ex, okay? So we're going to click right here to this link, and it pops up this window. This is the one you want to download. Go ahead and download that. Once you get it download, guys, it's pretty much the Windows firewall is going to pop up and say it's a virus. I'll show you right here. Let's go ahead and let that pop up. So give it a couple seconds. So once it pops up, you're going to see this window that says Windows Protect Your PC. Go to more info and run anyways. I don't need this. I already have it downloaded to my computer, so I'm going to X off. And also when you're doing the setup, pretty much it's going to ask you to update your Java. Just go ahead and update that too. Once you get that downloaded to your computer and make a desktop icon, let's go ahead and click that and it will go ahead and populate. So for me, I already have my account on here, and for you pretty much it would just be add an account, pretty much put your password in, and then it pretty much tells you to write down your seed. Please write down that seed, guys. Keep it somewhere safe, because this is how you can access your wallet if your computer burns down, okay? Or if you just want to use it on a different computer because you need to make a fast transaction. So my VirtualBox is right here. Definitely you don't want to use that anymore. You can if you want to, but it's kind of pointless right now. So we're going to go ahead and also with the new wallet, it's up to date automatically, guys. It keeps you linked into the blockchain at all times. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock my account. So there's my Aion coins right there. So very easy to do, guys. Your public address is there. You can click that into your wallet when you do mine into it. Very easy to do. And again, this is still one of the most profitable coins to be mining with a NVIDIA graphics card. Within a month, I made 351 I made 351 Aion coins with only 8 GPUs. And my GPUs run from 5 1066 gig cards to GTX 1070 Ti's and 1 GTX 1080 Ti. So again, it's not too bad. The current market right now is kind of low. It's only 40 cents a coin. So you're looking at like $140, so half that. It's not the best, but it's still a lot better than, trying to pretty much mine Zcash, which is pretty much an ASIC market now. You can't mine Zcash with a GPU. You can, but you're only going to make $45 with 8 cards like this. It's pointless. So I'm going to show you how to make a transaction. So I was having issues with Binance. Binance did not have actual Aion wallet, so I'm going to use Bilaxy. So as you see right here, you can see all these numbers. Binance was only giving me about this many numbers, and it was pulling up as a invalid address. So again, Bilaxy, I like to use it, easy to transfer coins to. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that address, minimize this, and now we're going to go ahead and send. So before you send the coin, make sure your address is here, and make sure that's the current amount. So you can go back and double check. Very easy. Add the address you want to send your coins to, and keep these numbers right here the same, okay? So we're going to go to put all our coins in there, and we're going to generate transaction. So now I'm going to put a timer on, and I'll let you know how long this transaction takes, and I'll get back to y'all, guys. Okay, guys, so the Aion coins have been transferred. So as you see right there, we have 352 Aion coins. I believe right now on Bilaxy, Aion is appraised at 36 cents a coin. So it's a little less than Binance by a couple of pennies. That's interesting, but we'll go ahead and see how much these coins are worth. So we're going to go ahead and hit balances. It is right here in estimated value. Will pop up the value. So with the amount of Aion we have, it is worth $128.74. So this is about a month of mining, which is not amazing, but we're going to go ahead and exchange that. So we're going to go down to Aion. We're going to go to trade. So we're going to trade this for Ethereum. You can either hit 20%, 50%, 75, or 100. We're going to go ahead and do 100%, and you can see how much it's worth right there, 36 cents. So we're going to hit sell. My sell password in here. And hit confirm. So now we pretty much traded our Aion coins for Ethereum. So let's go back to balances. So again, look at that. It actually jumped up in price, jumped up in value. That's kind of hilarious. So here's our Ethereum. We have 0.6008 Ethereum. And what we can do two things, guys. If you have a different wallet, you can transfer this to that wallet and put it into your BitPay account. Or you can pretty much sell it on Coinbase. So on Coinbase, you can sell Bitcoin, Bitcash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin. The only bad thing about this is, as you see right here, for the U.S. customer, it takes 4 to 5 business days to get into your account. Okay? And you can't put it on your debit card, so you can't sell it. So the only way you can do it is actually put it into your bank account this way. And if you need the money really fast, let's say if you need it for, I don't know, someone's birthday or something, you need to buy them something nice, you can actually use BitPay. So BitPay pretty much is a prepaid debit card, easy to use. There's a pretty much a little app on your phone and an app for your computer you can put it on, and you do get a prepaid debit card. The debit card does cost $20 to get in Bitcoin, and it does take about 2 weeks to get delivered. But if you want pretty much your money fast as possible, what you can do is pretty much you can send your Ethereum to what I use. I don't use Jack's wallet. I use Cryptonator. You can go to Cryptonator, exchange your Ethereum for Bitcoin, send your Bitcoin to BitPay, and then your money's there. As easy as that, guys. BitPay is really easy to use, and that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'll go ahead and show you those results shortly. Okay, so what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to go ahead and go into our Cryptonator account right here, and we're going to get our Ethereum wallet. So pretty much we're going to go to balances. We're going to hit Ethereum, not Ethereum Classic, then we're going to add. So this is our Ethereum address. Okay, so we're going to hit copy right there. And pretty much what we're going to do is we're just going to send it to ourselves, so we can go back to the computer and we can do it that way. Okay, so now what you want to do is we're going to go ahead and hit withdraw. Okay, so now since we have that, we're going to go ahead and click right here. I already saved it. That's a Cryptonator wallet. We're going to go ahead and put pretty much the full amount. So we're going to put 0.6008, and then you're going to put your security password you created when you made your Bilaxy account, and then a Google authentication code, which is located on your phone or wherever you have that at, and I'm going to put that in there here and confirm. So now we just sent the coin over, so it's waiting for approval. So again, let me go ahead and get back to you. I'm going to put the timer on and we'll see how long it takes, guys. Okay guys, so there's the Ethereum I sent. It took about 10 minutes, not too shabby at all. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to exchange. So keep in mind, BitPay debit card, prepaid debit card only lets you have Bitcoin on there. So you're going to pick the currency you want to trade, and that's going to be Ethereum, and then Bitcoin. So pretty much you just type in the amount. Oh, great. Let me try to move that somewhere else. Sorry. So you're going to type in the amount, And there is no transaction fee with Cryptonator. Well, there's no exchange fee. So everything's in there properly. And then pretty much all you need to do is just hit that. It's going to say exchange, and boom. So now that we have that in there, so now we have Bitcoin. This is what we want. So there's our Bitcoin. There's a little Zcash. Again, these are the different coins you can have with Cryptonator. I like it because you can exchange coins for free. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to BitPay app. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this right here. I'm going to say receive. I'm just going to copy this address here. So we're going to go back to Cryptonator. And we're going to type in, pretty much we're going to send Bitcoin to this location, cryptocurrency. We're going to put in the amount, pretty much the whole thing. So Bitcoin, I'm going to see if this is in there. So we're going to go ahead and put in the amount that we want to send minus the fee. So we're going to take it down that. And there we go, send. So again, you can see how long all this takes. So we're going to put another timer on. We're going to see how long it takes for our payment to hit BitPay. So you can see Cryptonator payment will send. You see that real fast. So I'm going to go here. And you see there's no payments yet here. Received the last time was the 27th. So now we wait, and then I'll show you how to turn it into cash USD instantly with BitPay. Okay, so now the funds have been transferred. So it took about 35 minutes to get into the BitPay wallet. So now that we're there, you can see I have $233.47 received from two different accounts. So all you need to do is go to BitPay Visa card, and that's the one you have to get with the $20 Bitcoin fee from their website, and it ships to your house in 2 weeks. So now that you have that, you're going to go ahead and add funds, $233.47. Go ahead and enter that, choose the wallet, and here we go, guys. And then you just have to slide to confirm and hit OK. So you see there's a 10 cents network cost and a 32 cents mining fee. Since I am a miner, I like to pay that fee. Okay, so the $233.47 is now USD in the Visa prepaid card from BitPay. One thing to remember, guys, is the way to get this card is you go to their website and you have to pay $20 in Bitcoin to get it. But it's worth it, guys. Again, if you want to use your cryptocurrency as fast as possible, this is the way to do it. If not, you can always wait on Coinbase. Either way, you'll still have it turned into USD, which is pretty cool. Anyways, guys, this was GhostBit Miner coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Please hit that like button, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. GhostBit Miner out.